Hi, I'm Mr. Pete with the Friends of the Domes, and this is Story Time. You know what? There are so many animals that we get to watch in our backyard, at a park, just everywhere. But they're so fast, and sometimes they're usually trying to get away from us. And sometimes we only see the end of them. That's right. So for this story time, I got this incredible book called Whose Butt? Yes! Can you believe it? Here we go. Whose Butt by Stan Tekala. This is awesome. Look at all of those butts. This may look like an ordinary animal butt, but watch what happens when it dashes away. Whose butt is this? It's a deer! When a white-tailed deer senses danger, its tail shoots up in the air. Boing! The white on the underside of a deer's tail is like a warning flag. It tells other deer that danger is near. So run, 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 away quick. With a long, shaggy tail, it looks like a dog's butt. But you wouldn't want to pet this behind. Whose butt is this? It's a wolf! A gray wolf can communicate with its tail to tell other wolves that it's the leader of the pack. Leader of the pack. A wolf holds his tail up high. A frightened wolf puts his tail between its legs. An excited wolf might wag its tail. There's a funny shaped tail on this butt, but you'll be surprised what a flat tail can do. Whose butt is this? It's a beaver! An American beaver has a wide, flat tail that makes it waddle when it walks. But its tail is very helpful. A beaver uses its tail to steer while swimming. Also, one slap of its tail on the water, whack! Will let other beavers know that danger is near. It's white and fluffy, like a bunny's butt, and you won't see it around here, but this rump can run incredibly fast. Whose butt is this? It's a pronghorn antelope. That's right, I believe this is the fastest mammal in North America. Pronghorns are the fastest land mammals in North America. I was right! They can zip across the prairie at 70 miles per hour. That's like a car on the highway. Whoa! That's as fast as a car. Vroom! If you glimpse one of these speedsters, you may only see its fluffy white behind as it races away. This critter raised the tail on its butt, but don't get close to find out why. Whose butt is this? It's a skunk! A striped skunk has a stinky way of protecting itself. When it feels threatened, a skunk will spin around, raise its tail. Other animals had better stay away or they'll get sprayed. A skunk shoots a smelly, oily substance out of its rear. Pew! This critter may have a cute fuzzy butt, but it's part of a powerful digging machine. Whose butt is this? It's a badger.
Go Badgers!
Badger? Wisconsin! Growly and snarly American badgers have short, powerful legs. Their bodies are built for burrowing. When they dig a hole, you'll quickly see their rump disappearing behind a pile of dirt. Badgers spend more time underground than above. This animal likes to show off its butt, but there's a reason it shakes its tail feathers. Whose butt is this? It's a grouse. Dusky grouse have plain-looking tail feathers, but when they fan out their tails, wow! A baby grouse struts about and dances. He shakes his tail feathers to show off for the girl grouse. In Wisconsin, we have the ruffed grouse. That sure is a large and fuzzy butt, but all that fur is useful when it's cold. Whose butt is this? It's a bear! A black bear is covered in fur from its head to its rump. A bear's soft underfur keeps it warm during cold months. Its rough outer fur protects the bear from bug bites. A bear's fur also repels water. After a dunk in a river, a bear shakes like a dog to dry off. Yeah! These animals have striped tails on their butts. But what are these critters looking for? Whose butts are these? They're raccoons! Northern raccoons are nocturnal, meaning they come out mostly at night. They have dark masks across their faces and dark rings around their tails. These markings help them hide in the shadows at night as they look for food. This tiny critter has a twitchy butt. Huh, but there's a reason it flutters about. Whose butt is this? It's a chickadee! I love chickadees. Black-capped chickadees' twitchy tails help them dart about as they feed. During winter, small birds like chickadees struggle to stay warm, so they need to be quick when searching for food. Zip! Food gives them the energy to stay warm. Chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. Look it even comes with all these awesome facts. All those cool animals and their butts. That was a great book by Stan Tekala. Man, the next time you see an animal, if you only see its butt, still try to figure out who's visiting you. That's a great thing to do. And if you hide in your yard, you might even see more. Maybe get inside a box and cut out a hole so you can watch them. Anyway, have a great time and watch out for those cool butts.